once you have all of your Dahlia data in here, there is some great reporting that can really visualize what's going on with your inventory. If you go under reports, you're going to see some basic information, how many tubers you have, how much for sale, and potential revenue. I haven't started selling tubers, so you can't see that, but once I do, I'll be able to see how much I can make once I divide. You'll also see lots of information on the distribution. You can see I have a ton of light blends. I probably need more whites. I definitely realized that this year when I started to sell into florists. Same with form. So I have a ton of formal decks. I probably need to branch out a little bit more from the decorative class. For size, same thing. The distribution's really helpful to visualize. You can tell I don't do many giants anymore. Same with suppliers. You can see where you're getting most of your tubers from. If once you price tubers, I haven't priced any, you can see which ones are your top prices, which ones are your bottom, and which ones have the most potential for revenue generation. So multiplying how many you have times the price. So you may have something that you have a lot of, let's say Cornell bronze. I always have a ton of Cornell bronze. You can't price it as high, but it might be a top revenue generator if you have a lot of them and can still sell a lot of them. And then you can see where your most quantities are as well. So that's just some basics, but then for every module you use, you will get more reporting. So once you divide, then you will get more information for dividing. So how many have you divided? How many are viable? Which varieties produce the most tubers? Which ones produce the least? These are a lot of things that people would love to be able to know to refine how they do dahlias in the future, but until they track it, they can't tell. These are the ones that, you know, I have scored best and worst for storage, that have the most and least viable tubers.